Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this news report right here on the Riley King Network. Snowstorm reporting. We're going to show you a live look outside in just a minute. Let's get you caught up on the conditions here in Deerfield, New Hampshire. So, we had snowfall. It started last night in Deerfield, New Hampshire around evening time. Then it's been snowing. Then it stopped snowing in the early morning hours. And it's been basically cloudy so far, but there was some drizzle, freezing drizzle falling a little bit this afternoon and things. So, the temps are near steady and around 30 degrees. Winds north at 15 to 25 miles per hour, and the chance of snow 90%. Tonight, you should expect cloudy, low 26 degrees, winds north-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And, there is a winter weather advisory until 7 p.m. this evening. The hourly forecast, 1 p.m. snow, 2 p.m. snow, 3 p.m. snow, 4 p.m. snow, 5 p.m. snow, and 6 p.m. snow. Chance of snow. Then 7 p.m. all the way until 11 p.m. it should be cloudy. We looked at the road conditions in Deerfield, New Hampshire, and not too bad. Here is a look at what the conditions look like. They don't look too bad. So, not too bad in Deerfield, New Hampshire. Now let's take a live look outside the window and see what's happening out there. And here's a look outside the window. As you can see, there is some light freezing drizzle coming down right now. A little bit of wind and cloudy as well. And a lot of snow as well, as you can see. So again, you're seeing some precipitation falling from the sky. Very lightly, not fast, heady, or heavy, or anything like that. Very lightly. And that is a look at the conditions in Deerfield, New Hampshire. And thank you for watching this afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Have a great afternoon, everyone. See you back here later on today with more news reports. Goodbye.